Hop into the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.